Alright, so now here's a demo of the table code from Mark Estes that was written for 3232 matrix and then 6464, and then that code is actually very well behaved with different sizes even if they're not square. So again, here I have three different displays. You see four, but the last two are actually mirrored. They're the front and rear of my shirt. So the first one here is the original one I had on my shirt version 3, 24 times 32. It is running on an ESP8266 that you have here, running 3 lines in parallel to have a bit of better refresh rate. Probably was overkill, turns out, because this is a 3232 1024 pixels without parallel output. It's just running with another ESP32, a single data line, and it's working just fine. So, oh well, maybe it wasn't necessary. Those are much bigger displays, 96 times 64. They're 3 panels of 3264 chained together, and then the last panel here is daisy chaining to the second one. That's why they're actually showing the same thing, front and rear. They're being run by that ESP32 here, with all those lines going into, since obviously this requires a lot more signaling than NeoPixels and constant refreshing. So for power usage, again here, not even an amp for all those pixels, over an amp for that 1024. So the RGB panels are much more efficient. Although not as bright as you can see, but since it's 9 times more pixels, I'm definitely getting more light for the bang here. Alright, I'll just let the demos run a little bit. And sadly, you can see they're not exactly in sync anymore because they have a number of frame target which doesn't run exactly at the same speed on the different displays. And that's it for the demo. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you again to Mark for all this great code.